Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Bryan with Abound Web Design with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about one of what I feel like is one of the most underutilized features in Squarespace, which is the announcement bar. This is something that is great for obviously announcing things that are going on with your organization, with your company. That could be things like if you have a new podcast out, if you have a new blog post, maybe you have a sale going on in your store, all kinds of reasons you could be making an announcement. And we're going to talk about those today and all the different ways that you can use them and style them up. So if that sounds like something that you could use, let's go on over my screen and talk about exactly how to do this. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use my demo website. And as you can see here, well, maybe you can see, maybe kind of hard to see, but there is an announcement bar at the top of it. And we'll talk about it being hard to see here in just a second. But first, let's talk about how you actually get this announcement bar on your website. So you're going to go, for this, you're going to go to Pages, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of that menu, and then you're going to see these utilities, System Pages and Website Tools. So you're going to want to go into Website Tools, and then there it is, announcement bar. And so it's enabled for me. If you don't see one at the top of yours, and it'll be because it's disabled. Okay, so we'll enable this again. And then you can see here, you can change what the announcement says. But then also down here, you can add a link to the announcement bar. So if you wanted to, I don't know, let's just hook it up to Google for the demonstration purposes. So HTTPS // www.google.com. And okay, we'll save that. And let's go into the preview mode. And you'll see here, anywhere you click on that announcement bar takes you over to Google. Now, I don't like that it takes you straight to Google and on the same tab and doesn't leave my website open. So I'm going to go back and let's look at that. Let's go into Pages again, back down to Website Tools, announcement bar. Let's go into the settings for that link there. Okay, and you'll see here's the link, and there's the problem. Open a new window is not toggled on, so we'll toggle that on, and we'll save, and save again, and then go into that full screen preview, click on it. All right, and you see it opens up in a new tab. We can go back to the tab where our website is. All right, let's go back out of preview here. Okay, let's talk about how you can't hardly see this. We probably want to do contrasting colors here so that the announcement bar sticks out. Otherwise, people on your website might not even notice that you have an announcement bar up there. So we're going to get out of tools there. Okay, so to change that, you're going to go into your site styles. So there's two places you can do that, either under website over here on styles, or you can click the paintbrush here and go into styles. And then to change the color of this, you're going to have to click on your color palette here, the arrow to the right side of it. And then I'm going to move myself out of the way here to make it a little easier to see. And you can see here that it's in darkest 2 is the top color that's shown. This, so you can see the different sections, the color themes that are used for each of them. And this top section has the darkest 2 color theme. So we're going to click on it, click the pencil there. Really, you just have to click on it twice, or you just have to click on it there. I had to click on it twice because of making the video here. But then you're going to scroll down to, you should see announcement bar in one of these headings like this: links, button, toggle, menu overlay. Okay, there it is. That just drew my attention that I'm probably in the wrong color theme there because the colors that you saw there. So it's probably, maybe it's this lightest one right here and we're just not seeing it because of the color there. So let's see what it looks like. Let's go down to announcement bar. Okay, so the background is white and the text is blue, which is exactly what we have here. So probably want to change something that contrasts within our color palette here. And so something that might stick out would be red. All right, but then you can't see the text, so you probably want to go and change the text there to, we don't really have a light, the only light color that we have to contrast against the red. The yellow is probably, that's not going to stick out enough. We're going to have to go white. So you want to make those contrast against each other so it's easy to see the text, and you want to make the background of the announcement bar contrast against the header of your website so that you can see, and it's very obvious that you have an announcement bar up there. But that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.